Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you so much for checking out the channel. I'm Brian and today is a very exciting day for me. Just got in the mail my first drone from Gearbest. I ordered this Broad Dream drone from Gearbest about a week ago. It's a mini foldable drone, 2.4 gigahertz. Looks totally cool on the box. Let's check this sucker out. Oops, I just ripped that a little bit. All right, let's see. Check it out. Here's the drone. This little tiny, wow, actually really good quality. Not really cheaply made at all. I mean, I'm very surprised at how good the quality is on this. Foldable drone, so it looks like the legs right here are gonna pull out like this. One goes like that, one goes like that, one goes like that, like that, just like a little Mavic. That is super cool. This little drone is supposed to have altitude hold, which I believe there's an option for that. It's supposed to have headless mode, one key return, automatic landing. I mean, it's supposed to have a lot of features. I mean, I can't get over the quality. I mean, even right there, they got the little rubber pieces for your landing gear so that when you land, it lands nice and smooth. I believe it's got a 720p camera on it. You can fly while first person viewing on this. There is an app that you can download and fly first person with this. Absolutely spectacular. What else we got here? Here's the remote. That is really cool. That looks like a little Xbox remote or a little mini PlayStation remote. It's got a lot of buttons on it. When I was looking at the box earlier, I think one of these is you press one of these buttons for landing. You have another one for headless mode, which I believe is the second one. Then you have the one key return to home, I believe, and there's one more. You got your throttle stick here. It is not spring loaded, so you can control the throttle all the way. That's really cool. You got your control over here, which is spring loaded. Very nice. Buttons up top here are probably the 3D flip buttons. I mean, wow, really nice quality. I mean, this is super cool. Comes with extra props, USB charger. Where do you plug in the USB at? It looks like, right there. Looks like you're just gonna plug the USB straight into the drone and into the wall and just charge the drone, which is cool. I mean, I would have liked to have been able to get extra batteries to just have them charged and pop them on, but whatever. You charge the drone. I'm sure you're only gonna probably get maybe 8 to 10 minutes of flight, which is actually pretty long time for this little drone. This thing is super cool. One of the things I want to say definitely right off the bat is the last two companies I've ordered from, both times came with broken boxes. I want to compliment Gearbest. Fantastic job. I got this in about a week. Box came, looks absolutely perfect. So you got a little instructions, your USB charger, you got your prop protectors right there. So we are going to go ahead and charge this up. I think the charge time is probably like 20 minutes or a half hour. We are going to charge this up and put this thing up in the air. So sit back and I'll be right back. Here comes the first flight with the Broad Dream foldable mini drone. We are going to go to rate number 2 and take off. Stable, not bad. Woo, look at that bad boy go. Oh, I love the headlight on it.
Well, that's better.
Yep. Absolutely fantastic drone. This thing is actually really stable. The trim buttons work, the flip buttons work. We definitely have to do the test on the one key return, amongst a couple other things. Gearbest, absolutely, I love it. This drone is unbelievable. I have crashed this at least 25 different times and I don't have a single problem with it. The blades don't pop off. The leg, the little rubber things on the bottom of the leg don't pop off. The bright white lights in the front, you can see right there, and the back has the red one. Easy to see, very maneuverable, has 3 different rates. I found that the rate number 2 was really where I liked it to be, but I am thoroughly impressed with this drone. Again, there is a Broad Dream app where you can download and fly FPV, which I will be doing a video on that very shortly. I want to give my thanks to Gearbest. It's the first time I bought a drone from you guys, and I gotta say, I am more than pleased. So, as always, thank you so much for checking out the channel. Look for future videos with the Broad Dream Mini Foldable Drone. Leave a comment, subscribe. We're almost to that 100 subscriber mark where I'm going to be doing the $50 giveaway. I'll see you later.